Hey everyone, Colin here, and wanted to bring you this quick update. Two things that I really want to pay attention to here. One of them is Fetch USD. We see this um, falling wedge here. It is running out of room, and if we break to the upside, come back down and maybe hold some support, the target, the measured move for this target is at the top of this move back up to our high of 2,500 Satoshis. Watch out for that. Fetch is gearing up. As you can see, every time we've broken down and we've formed this kind of pattern, it's resulted in a big move, right? Same thing. We did this down here. We did this down here, right? We broke out of this huge move to the upside. That was 222%. When we did it over here, very steep. We broke out, and that resulted in a 755% move. So when we break out of these patterns, it's a big move coming, guys. So watch out again for Fetch, as I've talked about before. My take profit target is up here, but we're looking for Fetch to really at least get back to the 0.5 on the Fibonacci all time. At least here. There should be a big rejection because of this wick that we see right here. But looking for the first take profit up here. If we were to get there, that right there is 184% move just from where we are right now to my first take profit target. Ultimate take profit target is really between the 618 and the 0.5. So you're looking anywhere from 500 to 628% on Fetch. VRA, again, this is also running out of room. This is where we see this ascending triangle, right, which is a bullish pattern. We draw the measured move from the bottom to the top of it, bring us up here, gives us a target of somewhere around 8 cents. Watch out for VRA. Again, we're running out of room here. If we break down, right, then we could head back down to 51 cents. And if we break below 51 cents, we're probably going to revisit, not 51 cents, 5.1 cents. If we break down below that, we likely will go back down and see 0.44 cents, so almost 4.5 cents. That's if we break down. If we break up, we're looking at a move of about 30 something percent, right? Up to about 8 cents just for this particular breakout here. CRV is another one you got to keep your eyes out for, guys. I've been saying it in some of my trading groups. Said CRV is coiling up. It's coiling up and getting ready to go. We got this massive head and shoulder pattern right here. If that was to play out, right? If that was to play out, then check this out, right? You see a measured move of 344. We've already come pretty close to that already. Okay, we've already come pretty close to that already. On its way. All right, I took a small margin trade just from about 326 to about right to 336. That's exactly where I took my profits. 336, because we extended outside of the Bollinger Bands at that point, and I took my profits. Now here it is. It's dipping back down. So looking to get back into that trade from CRV. If we come back down and touch the 200 moving average, at about $3.20. I'd certainly be looking to probably take another long position there, but watching carefully. That's for a trading position. But I mean, in terms of, look at this, guys. Woo. $23 CRV on Binance. $23. If we break the main area to get past right now is $3.67 to $3.70. If we get above that and confirm support, there's nothing to stop us from going to $6. And measured move that I have here really was about almost $7, right? So again, CRV, pay attention to that. If we get above $6, guys, I mean, really, it's price discovery. There's nothing here to stop it. There's nothing here holding it back. All open skies for CRV. So watch out for CRV. Looking to make a big move here pretty quickly as well. All right, guys. So that's it. I also took an FTM 3x long position. So it's basically 3x leverage on FTM. And guys, I took my position somewhere around here, like $14.50. I mean, I held it because remember, I did this video about how to get leverage without ever getting liquidated, right? And I took it was like a 30% dive, right? I took like a 30% dive. That was because FTM went down 10%, but on the 3 long, it's multiplied by 3. So I was down 30% at one point. And then FTM just came back up with this huge move here, a 60% move up from this point. And, it's kind of battling right here now, but looking to hold support above this level. Once it does, then guys, again, it's going to be another big move. Let's see this level right here. If we did a measured move out of this cup, then up to $19. That's a measured move of about another 30% right there. So that's FTM 3x long. FTM itself, of course, is looking incredibly strong. It's one of the stronger coins right now. It has just been on a massive run. I mean, look at this. It's just been ridiculous. It's just been ridiculous right now. That's FTM looking incredibly strong. It doesn't look like this is not a blow off top for FTM. So it looks like it still has a lot of strength, to be quite honest. So let's keep an eye on that for FTM. I really don't know where to look out for it now in terms of above that, because in terms of versus the USD, we are in price discovery. FTM is also on Bybit, right? So when all of these exchanges are coming on and just listing this thing, again, that tells you here was the previous high. Look at that. You see that candle? This was 2019. So after 2 years, July 2019, and look at that. Got back to the all-time high. What was that? Maybe a year and 9 months later, got back to the all-time high, and finally broke above it. September, a little over 2 years later, and ever since then we've been on a tear. $1. Normally it does like a 3x, right? So that'd be 2, 3. That could mean a $4 FTM. That could mean a $4 FTM.